How to use the dryer part on my Servis Caress 900 washer dryer.
What's the make and model of your washing machine? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
Servis Caress 900. Age is probably 15 years.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Washer is going well but have no clue how to use dryer.
Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to Just Answer. I'm reviewing your question now and will post back with your reply momentarily. Can you post the model number of the washer, please? If you look in the bottom rigged corner, there will be a square flap. Pull this down and the sticker is on there with the model number. Or if you can post a picture of the control panel of the washer, I can tell you how to use the dryer from there.
M9090 S/N 01420300121.
Thanks for that. To set the dryer on this model, what you need to do: for normal heat, turn dial to stop position, which is the dot after program 7. Then turn the dryer knob to whatever time you want. Then press the half load button in and then turn the washer on and it will run a normal dryer program. For a delicate cycle, turn main dial to the stop position after program 14 and do the above, and this will run the delicate dry cycle. Try that and you can set the dryer from there. I've also attached the manual for this model as well, so if you go to page 29 it also shows how to use the dryer only setting. Hope this helps you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.